as one of the main ways both Russia and Ukraine loses tanks now is by mines, as the fields and even roads are littered by them. But while both sides try to create clear ways through, new mines are placed all the time. But while it's meant to stop your enemy's armored vehicles, if forgotten where you place your own, the mines doesn't take any side. As seen here, where a Russian tank drives within a controlled area when running over one of their own anti-tank mines, taking out another tank, resulting in the crew bailing out and leaving the hatches open, leaving the tank to the Ukrainian drone army to finish off what Russia's incompetence started, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.